So this is the eatery here, and this is where everybody has their breakfast, so you can chill. Beautiful, nice. Got the nice plants. See, I love this area here. Oh, and they got a pot. They got a pot on every table. That is really nice. Has a real nature feel to it. Yo, believe it or not, this fan is blowing cool air. That feels real nice. Yeah, man. And this is the reception area. So, Adikap. And then we got the young lady here is nice enough to show me the rooms that they have. And I stayed here last year. Actually, I stayed here twice, and I absolutely love it. I like the outside area here. Oh, so this the big room. So we got the lights. So this is the restroom area. So we got, and these how the shower heads. So basically the shower is together with the toilet as well. And this here is to control the heat exchange. You could have it on off, you could put it on high. That's cool. See, most showers back at home don't have that much control, I would say. You got the sink here, got the toilet. Now what I love about this room is the walls are almost like a marble. So when you come in this room, you have this, it's like a cool, crisp feeling. I love it. Absolutely love it. You got the AC up here. Yeah, it's a nice, decent room. You know what I'm saying? Especially you and your loved one. You want to be in a secluded area away from all the noise. KOH LARN is like the great place. I love going to KOH LARN. You know, just for a day or so, just because it's quiet. You know what I'm saying? Very quiet, the island is. Not like in Pattaya City where it's just non-stop. You got this little closet area here. I just like that. This is all cement. Yeah, this is cement. And then you got the fridge. I think it's unplugged now, but they'll plug it in for you. All right, and the sliding doors. That's a cool feature, sliding doors. Yeah, man. Nice size bed. And you have other room? Oh, full. Oh, okay. Okay. Motorbike?
Oh, yes.
Look at these steps here. Wooden steps. More like planks laid on a bunch of small broken up rock. See, this is a nice chill area here. See that? Now this is the motorbike area where you can rent. Oh, look at this. These motorbikes here, I believe they're free with every room. Motorbike free when you rent room?
Yes.
Yeah, see? They're all free. And what's cool is there's this canopy here to keep the seat from getting scorched. There's nothing worse than sitting on a bike when the sun's been hitting on it all day. Look at that. They're all nice and cool, these bikes, see? Seat ain't burning hot. Well, it's a little hot, but yeah, man, cool. How much for a room?
1,000. Normal.
The room you showed me, that room. How much?
But
The big.
big family. On 1,000 300 baht.
1,300 baht for the family size room. And room here, you showed me how much baht?
1,500 baht.
1,500, 1,300. Okay. Kopm cup. So we got here card, the Rest Hotel KOH LARN. And it's got the 3D barcode. That's pretty cool. And it also comes with Wi-Fi as well. You know what I mean? So that's always a plus. You always want to have a room with Wi-Fi. And there also you can contact them on Facebook at www.facebook.com The Rest Hotel and line at The Rest Hotel. Alright. And you got their mobile number and everything like that. Alright guys. Cool.